G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and for time's sake, let's get straight into this video. Alright, first, part 1, two-wheel drive Moneky Gum, in the link in the description below. Please check that out before seeing the rest of this video. Alright, why are we turning around? Oh, good question. Would be great to continue on and struggle through, makes good footage, probably not very safe. So, at the end, in a nutshell, we turned around because we weren't prepared. We were rushing too much to try and enjoy ourselves and get the footage for YouTube. And because of that, Noel forgot to lock his front hubs. And we still haven't picked it up. In this video, you will see that we made the best decision ever, was turning around, and this is why. So let's get straight into it. Watch us struggle. Last little thing before, if you do enjoy these videos, I would suggest if you could, please subscribe, check out that little bell for any future videos, and we'll see you on the tracks.
Get the momentum going. No, not going to go that way.
No, go back, go back.
Go back. Yeah, this is going to be the hardest one.
The wheel.
Go back.
I'll tell you no.
Sorry.
Over there. Keep going. That's it. Keep going.
Whoa! A little bit more back. Jesus Christ. Not going to do it like that. You have to go right back and do it again.
Straight wheel. That's enough.
Right, just keep it going.
Yep.
When I get to that big rock, I'm going to tear the front out.
Yeah, I'll be right.
You won't tear the stuff out. Go, put your wheel there.
It's alright, just bring it up first.
I'll get a max track. I'll get a max
Look,
track.
go my ass. There we go. Watch out. Now you want.
Skills. Oh, I see.
You have to go right back. One big run ahead.
I said, don't move. Stand. Go forward a little bit if you can. Just a little bit.
There, put the thing in. Watch out now.
I'll just put this under, that's where it's spinning.
Well, I just want when I turn over, just kind of hang on to it.
No, don't. If you go to roll over, you never stick your hand out the window to brace yourself.
Don't talk, sure. You're not going to do that.
Yeah, I'm just telling you.
You're not going to do that.
Never.
Hold on to the steering wheel.
Well, slowly. Hey, no, he's done it.
Almighty.
Turn left a
Why
bit.
didn't you put that?
I'll get you there. Turn left a bit so you get level. See it.
Yeah, you're right.
It'll level you up a bit.
No, you're right. This is where you need a co-pilot, because you come unstuck, you know, you wouldn't know what you'd be doing. You would, though.
But see, you've got to do it
Pete's
so
on his
that
own. He's a fucking, you know, he's a maverick.
But you can be a maverick too.
I'm
You get
going
bit
to
of
be a
practice.
maverick.
The fun part.
Maverick.
Pete, I nearly turned it over. I hope you're happy.
Oh, he's got. He's
Tell him he can still hear you.
no, he can't.
Where's he going now?
I'm fucking fine, eh?
We're not ready for part 2. As I said, plenty of water. This is pretty good. Like, you know what I mean? You know,
This is tough
don't
enough.
realise what Moneky Gum's like.
This is tough enough.
Unbelievable. You know, you can get back out here, it's going to be hard.
Yeah, we got it.
We're not ready. We're not ready.
Not ready. We're not ready.
But no, look, I'm looking back, Pete. I never seen the 4 wheels ever moving. No, never spinning. Ever.
Well, that was silly. Now let's go back and do Moneky Gum.
If you're right, Pete, that would have been good.
No, boys. That's a good hill. There you go. Here we go. I got 4-wheel drive going now. Brilliant. See how easy it is? Huh?
When you're in full drive,
That's always much better,
it
isn't it?
works way good.
Yeah, much better, much better.
Oh, that works way
See
better.
how it worked before you be stuck, because we went 2-wheel. Yeah, isn't it? See? Go up. No, we could have done
I
more.
can't believe that.
We are the champions. We are the champions.
Oh, we're not doing Moneky Gum right now.
Oh yeah, oh, that'll do it. Yeah, why don't I just tip over? Oh yeah.
We're not going to tip over, no.
That's a bit dodgy, this one.
Just hang on. She's a bit dodgy, but we'll make it, Molly.
Alright. That's it, go over that way. That's right. That's the way you do it. Oh, fuck.
Do you want me to come guide?
No. Boss says no. I'll have to get out and maybe direct you a bit. Will you let me get out and get direct you a bit?
No.
I might just get out for safety reasons.
No, don't be silly, Noel. We're right, look.
Just keep up here, that right hand side.
Come and guide.
You reckon we need to start?
I think you need to go up there. Up there as far as you can. That's it, that's it, that's it. You have it. That's it.